Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Frame View Easy method. First, power on the frame and open the companion app on your phone. Tap Add Device, choose Frame View, then follow the on-screen prompts to connect to Wi-Fi. Enter your network password, wait for the confirmation tone, and name your frame. Finally, adjust brightness and auto-rotate settings to suit your room for the best viewing experience. Open the app after installing it and sign in or create an account. Select Add Device, then choose Frame View from the device list. Follow prompts to scan the QR code or enter the frame ID manually to pair. Grant any permission requests so the app can transfer photos. After pairing, confirm the frame appears in your device list and test by sending one photo to verify the connection works smoothly and reliably. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which pairs great with a photo frame for ambience. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Head into display settings to personalize how photos appear on your frame. Pick a default album or enable automatic imports from chosen folders or cloud services. Adjust transition style and duration, set screen timeout, and choose whether captions display. Use scheduled on and off times to protect the screen and save energy. Finally, preview the slideshow to confirm colors, cropping, and rotation look right for your wall or tabletop placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.